Hey there, Jeffrey here.
And I'm Brenda.
And you know what they say, Brenda, that you can't judge a book by its cover, and products aren't always what they appear to be. Now, multitaskers are having a huge moment at Sephora, and rightfully so. People are loving their products to do more than one thing. Now, it's important to remember that just because something isn't touted as a multitasker doesn't mean that it isn't. Much like the Laneige lip sleeping mask that a lot of you will be receiving in your Play by Sephora box this month.
And I agree, I love this sleeping mask, but the name is a little deceiving because you can use it for more than just a sleeping mask all around the clock.
Exactly. Now in this video, we're going to show you some quick tips and tricks and some fun, innovative ways to use this product that you maybe didn't even think of. So the first tip is that this product is actually really great in aiding in exfoliation. Now you can use this as almost like an exfoliant primer. It's going to soften any texture on the lips before you go in and remove that dead skin. So go ahead and take a little bit and apply that on the lips. Get it nice and saturated. Now you can already feel it starting to break down that texture. Now you can take a washcloth with warm water and gently remove the mask, which is going to help to remove that dead skin as well. The warm water works well with the product to help remove and lift the dead skin cells so that it's already softened, ready for exfoliation. Now the next tip is that this product partners perfect for event prep. Now, you want to think of it just like you would your normal skincare routine or any fun treatments that you would do leading up to a big engagement. Think of starting it maybe 3 or 4 days prior to the event so that your lips are nice and hydrated, supple, and ready to go the day of.
That is such a great tip. I mean, you're already doing this other stuff, masking, then you might as well take care of your lips.
Exactly, do it at the same time. Now, this next tip is a juicy one. It's important to remember that this product is your liquid lipstick's best friend. It's a great prep anytime that you know you're gonna wear a long-lasting lip color because it keeps the lips hydrated and supple underneath that product. Now to utilize this before liquid lips, you don't want too much of the product. So what we're gonna do is apply a hefty layer. So go ahead and put a bunch on, really saturate and kind of work it into the lip. Now, what happens is that the liquid lip sort of marries this product and creates a beautiful velvet finish. Now, you don't want too much of the mask on because you don't want to compromise the durability of your liquid lip. So take a little bit and blot. That looks perfect. So now you're ready to actually apply your liquid lip. So you'll notice that the liquid lip goes on much smoother and almost more buttery so that it kind of melts in with that lip mask and becomes a new product, something a little bit more hydrating but still long-lasting. Okay, go ahead and press your lips one more time. Perfect. Now, how does that feel?
So smooth.
So smooth, right? Not like a traditional liquid lip, but take a look in the mirror.
I love it.
Now, do you notice anything different about the texture than what you would normally apply it?
It feels and it looks a lot smoother.
Definitely no flakies. It looks nice and smooth and a nice velvet rose petal finish.
I have a tip as well.
Okay.
This mask is my go-to AM to PM, something I keep by my desk, I keep in my purse, and I just use it by itself like a lip balm.
So you basically take it everywhere you go?
Yeah.
I love it, okay. Well, hopefully that helped you guys out and you found a new way to use your Laneige lip sleeping mask, and we'll see you next time. Ciao.
Bye.